Good morning. It's August 5th. I am standing in the courtyard, believe it or not, looking out towards the front of the school where the flagpole, etc. used to be. This is construction's version of cut and paste. They have to cut away a lot of the concrete that made up the carport, and soon we'll be pasting a building onto it. Does require a lot of clearing, and you can see they're getting ready to haul away the tar that was dug up, that was the carport, some of the concrete that made up the front hallway. And once this is clear, we can keep going with the progress. So let's go take a look out back and see what's happening for the soon-to-be cafeteria area. Figured this would be a good time to show you the back of Asa Adams. While there's been a ton of work going on out front, we also have some work happening out back. So this is the area. The gym door is right there, and then here is Mrs. Berglund's old room, and here's Miss Cavassos' old room. These will soon be the new cafeteria. But to start, because this wall's coming down, they had to take out the windows, as you can see. So those windows have all come out. This part of the parking lot has also been dug up to get ready for the upcoming construction back here. Again, to turn this into our new cafeteria and kitchen. This back door also has been blocked over. The windows to the reading recovery room have come out. That will soon be building. We'll be extending the building right down to that end as part of this construction. Here we go. Wonder what's happening up at the high school. Right up over that hill. Have a good day. Well, here you can see some progress being made in the back of the school as the roof that existed over Mrs. Berglund's room and Miss Cavassos' room is now being taken down. Again, this is where the new cafeteria and the new kitchen will be. And to make that happen, they got to do some rearranging.